vlog. I just got dressed. I'm feeling all the fall vibes. These are pants from Bottega. This is like a really nice textured top from Frame, and then this is a jacket that I vintage shopped in Japan. It was literally $80 and it was like the best find ever. And then my loafers. I like showed these loafers in one of my last videos and they're kind of a little too small. I feel they're giving me blisters a little bit. So I bought these really thin socks and I'm just trying to wear them now to just stretch them. But I was maybe thinking if I'm bringing them to, I don't know what's that called, schoenmaker in Dutch, like the like a shoe and leather place, then maybe they can stretch it out a little bit. I think I just need to walk and like wear them in a little bit. Also, I am gonna go to the hairdresser today. I'm so excited. So I've been trying to grow out my hair and my hair has become so much healthier, but I just want to trim the ends a little bit because they're a little split. And then I want to color my hair a bit, but I want to go back to my natural color. Over the past few years, I have gotten so much darker. Like I was so blonde as a kid. And now look at my natural hair. It's almost brunette. It's crazy. So I was thinking kind of going back to more of this color rather than like real blonde. So yeah, I'm excited for that, kind of for fall. You know, a little darker. I have not been to my regular color in so long, so I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna get ready. I have a quick meeting at the Santa Monica Proper Hotel, which is a really nice hotel here, and I also just need to get some computer work done, so I feel that's a good time. So let's go. Ordered online.
What's the name?
Sanne, S-A-N-N-E.
And there's a little pickup window on the outside.
Oh, okay, perfect, thank you. Hello, I placed an order for Sanne. Perfect, thank you so much. Oh my god, guys. I was getting a lot of work done. I had a meeting, then had a lot of phone calls, and I feel that with everyone, kind of a lot of entrepreneurs I know, so people with businesses, that things from the outside always look so easy and seamless and stuff, and I kid you not, I have had to make quite some, I don't know, I feel like big decisions lately, and we're doing a lot of really big changes, and I feel sometimes terrified by doing that. I feel I have a pretty like grown mindset with things, but it is always a little scary to do new things and try new things and make decisions. Like, I have never done this before, Lauren has never done this before, and we're just like guessing like what we should do, and sometimes these decisions are just so big and it's just sometimes nerve-wracking. Like, you just don't know if you're making the right decision, and I think it's really important to like know this, because I just feel, you know, when you look at others, or when you look at other like female entrepreneurs, like things sometimes from the outside look so easy, but I don't know, I'm terrified. I'm so terrified. I don't want to be making the wrong decisions. But anyway, I made one good decision today. I got myself a little smoothie. This is the peanut butter blast. So I'm gonna go to my appointment, and I was like, I just want something very quick and easy. So I did a smoothie with some extra protein, the whey protein and cacao nibs. So let's try it. It's really good. I love the cacao nibs in it. It like gives a nice little crunch. Really good. Okay, I'm gonna run to my hair appointment now, and then tonight I'm picking up Max from the airport, and we're going straight to Joshua Tree for Thanksgiving, which will be so fun. I am so excited to just veg out and kind of do nothing. So yeah, busy day. Got the entrance so happy with it. We are in the car. I just picked up Max.
I got double boba. Oh, he's so cute. Give me the carrot, give me the carrot, give me the carrot. Hi. Katsu.
Katsu.
This is a thumbnail right here, Sanne. Boom.
Oh, thank you.
Boom.
I got a delicious boba. No.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you for getting us boba. What do you got? Same? Guys, we always get like a green tea or something, and then no sweetener, and then we just do boba because boba is already a little sweet. Good morning. I woke up and I looked in the mirror and I was like, oh my god, who is this? I really need to get used to the hair. I'm like full on brunette, but I'm liking it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Or do you like blonde?
I'm getting used to it.
You're getting used to it? First thing Max said when he saw me, he was like, oh my god, you look like your mom. She's blonde.
It just makes you look like your mom.
So funny. I don't know, I'm loving this espresso type of coloring for fall or winter. I think it's really fun to switch it up sometimes. We're gonna go to Mas Menos. It's like a really cute coffee shop here that also serves Nakahama. And it's Thanksgiving Day today, so we're taking it very low-key.
We have an emergency delivery because they're out of matcha.
Yeah, look. We got our big bag of matcha because we can't have people go through the weekend without matcha. So we're gonna bring the goods and obviously just hang out a little bit, so that will be really nice. Love a cappuccino with almond milk and hot.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, explain what we got here.
Strawberry tequila, a little bit of lavender, and half gram matcha, or no, 1 gram matcha.
Oh wow, okay. I'm gonna try this cocktail. This is actually really good. It's like a strawberry margarita thing. I love it. You gotta drive back. I'm gonna be tipping. Is it freaking weird that I love cold chicken soup? I don't know why, when it's in the fridge, it's just so delicious. I don't really spoon it a lot out of it, but sometimes I just take a bite here and there. I almost like it more than warm chicken soup. I don't know if that's weird, but this is low-key one of the best things, or one of my favorite things at Erewhon. I feel everyone always goes to the hot bar and raves about the smoothies and stuff, but their chicken soup is honestly my favorite. It's so simple and it's just so quick and easy. Like whenever I feel under the weather or I don't feel like cooking, like I always grab this, and I actually got a jar from LA, so I thought it would be like easy out here to make. I am quickly getting ready because Max and I are going to yoga. We never go to yoga, but obviously there's not a lot of workout classes around here in the desert, and I saw a big billboard that there was a yoga spot, and I was like, you know what, this honestly looks really nice. It also had a sauna with it, so I think we're gonna do this together. I'm wearing a little set from Aloe. I don't know if you can see it. I'm wearing this little set from Aloe, and then this top is from, I don't know, which is really cute. But look, okay, we're gonna head over there and get a little movement in.
I still remember the day that you came. You were so little. For me it's just a day. Now you're all grown up, tall as a tree, strong as a wolf.
Hi, buddy. They're so cute. We're gonna go to the, what is this called?
It's a hoedown.
The hoedown? I've never been to a hoedown.
There you have it.
What is it? What is it?
Social gathering at which lively folk dancing takes place. Folk dancing.
Anyway, we're gonna go. It's pretty cold outside. I vintage shopped this suede coat in Japan. It was literally 80 bucks and it was such a good find. I love how it's a little kind of oversized. So we're gonna meet my friend Kato there. She's actually a Dutch model who recently moved here, so it will be like fun to see her and her family. I think she's with the kids, maybe not, I'm not sure. Ho, ho, ho! Let's go! This guy is so pretty.
I'll be saved by rock and roll. You can take my money, steal my car and sell my clothes. You can take the shoes I'm in, go on and take everything. You can have about everything I own.
Morning, got a little coffee. It is so quiet here. We are almost done with everything in the house. Max is putting together a desk right now, and then I, for the first time, saw a platform I wanted to show you because I'm gonna do a home tour, I think in January. We are debating between putting a hot tub or a sauna, and I think we're voting or leaning more towards a sauna because it's something that we personally use a lot more because we just love sauna so much and it's so good for you. It's an amazing spot right here, like the view is amazing, but the house is kind of on a hill, so we need to like level out and build platforms to put it. But I wanted to show you, this is the platform right here that has been built. So we were thinking putting a sauna right there, and I think it would be amazing. Like, look at the view. It would be so nice. I'm excited for it. It would be so nice. Okay, I think I heard Max calling from the inside that he put a desk up. Let's check it out.
Got an underground leak.
Wait, you got a what?
Underground leak.
We got an underground leak. Oops, and this part of the day I did not get to film. We had a leak in the house and it was full on chaos because we had to leave in a couple hours. But Max was able to clean everything up and find the leak. So hopefully that will be done for next time. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog and I will see you next week. Bye bye.